Hello, welcome back to Roland Tutoring. Please take the time to subscribe and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. You can also reach us for particular problems if you'd like to submit one to be featured on the YouTube channel. And we do offer tutoring both online and in person, so feel free to contact us. Today we are looking at how to find an endpoint given another endpoint and a midpoint. You might have previously seen our problem on how to find the midpoint. So we're doing a little bit of a twist on that concept. So once again, we will need that midpoint formula of m equals, and this will give us a point again of x2 plus x1 over 2, and that's our first point here, and y2 plus y1 over 2. That will give us our point. So m, as we see here, is -10, -2. So given that, we can start plugging into this equation. We have -10, -2 equals, so we don't know our x2, so we can do x2 plus -10, or no, that's our midpoint, so plus 5 here over 2, and our y2 we do not know, plus 2 over 2. The easiest way to continue doing this will be to break it down into two equations. So we'll start with x. We will have x2 plus 5 over 2 equals -10. Following through with our algebra steps for solving for x, we would have everything times 2, which would leave us x plus 5. So it would be multiplying by 2 here and multiplying by 2 here. So x plus 5 equals -20. We'll then subtract 5 from each side and be left with x equals -25. Continuing, we will solve for y. We have y2 plus 2 over 2 equals -2. Once again, we will start by multiplying all of this by 2 and be left with y2 plus 2 equals -4. Then we will subtract 2 from each side and be left with y2 equals -6. That means our endpoint now is going to be -25, -6. Thank you for joining Roland Tutoring as we solve for the endpoint of a line given the midpoint and another endpoint. Be sure to check out our other problem solving videos to help with your homework needs. And if that is not enough, please feel free to submit your problem to us to be featured on the channel, and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date.